What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I made a video, but today we're going to be installing the freaking perfect draw, the perfect draft temp controller, which is a big old fan in here that goes into the firebox, and we're going to be installing it on my old country barbecue pits over and under. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drill the holes right here. This hole goes to this. So what I've done is I've took this and I've kind of placed it up here and took a white crayon, marked it out how I'm going to where I'm going to drill, and I marked the hole for this. This is what you're going to hang this on right here. It's going to hang on like this, just like that, and then the perfect barbecue temperature controller is going to hang on this. So the first thing we're going to do is also, the opening to this is 4 inches. So I got a 4-inch hole saw. Let's hope that this will go through metal. If it don't, then we'll make it. That's how I feel about it. And it comes with a bolt with a wing nut here for the for this right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drill out the hole for the wing nut. And that drill bit ain't worth a flip. Let's go get another one. Alright, so what I got is a step bit here we're going to use to make the pilot hole with. So boy, every drill I got ain't worth a flip or drill bit. It's getting there though. Alright, there's our hole. Let's see if we can get this thing through there now. Which I don't know the size of this one. Alright, now let's try the bigger drill bit. Alright, there's that. Let's see if this is big enough. Yes, sir. Goes right in there. Alrighty. Let's get this thing installed here. Just like that. Shoot ya. Just like that right there. And then this. Just like that. Right there. Now all we gotta do is drill that hole. Alright, make sure that I center up the one drill bit in the center to make sure that I get everything centered up. This is supposed to be 4 inches. So we're going to try it out here and see. 4 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, right here at 2 inches, I'm going to put a mark. Then this way, I'm going to put a mark. Draw a cross right there. Right in the center of that cross should be where I need to be centered up. So I'm going to take my trusty step bit here and I'm going to make me another pilot hole right smack dab in the center of that. Like that. Center that thing up. Maybe it'll work. Let's go get another battery. So I had to end up finishing this out with my Dremel. The batteries kept going dead, so finish it out with my Dremel and a cutting wheel. Just got to take your time getting that out, all that good stuff. So let's sit this down, get this on here. Oh yeah. Like a glove, son. Shoot ya. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the perfect temp thing, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this hook here goes into here. This has got a battery in it. You can run it with power or wireless. The battery is supposed to last around 17 hours. Haven't tested that yet. Put that on there, and bam, just like that right there. It's got magnets that holds that on, and then all you have to do right here, so hold on, let me get around here and I'll show you and make sure it's in the camera here. All right, so what you got to do here is you turn it on like that, and I've already got it in auto, so I can turn this up to 225 degrees and it automatically kicks on. This does not work in automatic mode. Now the fan speed is on 0. If I turn this to manual, then I can turn this switch here and do the fan speed as I wish, all the way up. You can hear it. It's running. So let's turn this back to auto. Flick that up right there. Flick that up to auto. Open this bad boy up right there. Let's see how good it blows. Let's see. Yeah, it's blowing them ashes everywhere. So, shoot, yeah. So now it's coming in right there. And the way this works is it'll, you know, just like any other firebox on a smoker. Shoot, yeah, I know I gotta clean that out, but so heck yeah. On the old country barbecue pits over and under. That's how it is. And these things just don't get enough air in it, and I figured out that even with the door open, if there's no wind blowing around here, then you're pretty much screwed on this thing. So I bought this to see how this is going to work, and shoot, yeah. So like I said before, this right here is where the inlet goes for the charger to charge, or you can run this through electric. You don't have to run it wireless. And right here is where the temp probe goes, and you'll run this temp probe into your smoke box here, not your fire box, into your smoke box, and that's going to regulate this. If you have it in auto, it's going to back the fan off, produce more fan speed, slow fan speed, whatever, to keep the temperature at the right temp. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope I helped some people, especially with this smoker, on how to install that thing. You can do it on either side that you want. I just decided to do it on the door because the door is easily replaceable if I need to replace it or cover it up, I feel like, instead of doing it on this side. But anyways, to all my metal detecting peeps that watched the video, I plan on getting back out. Just been having some issues. So thank y'all for watching, and look out for the video, because this Sunday, which I might be able to post a video up on Monday, I'm going to be smoking a couple of pork butts on this bad boy. With that, we're going to be testing that thing out in the next video. So stay tuned. Appreciate it. Peace.